On the corner in Westwood, there is a cozy area filled with teacups, small snacks, and a beautiful interior. Today, Harmony Tea Room tells us about its story and the people who have kept it going.
So we serve traditional afternoon tea, so we do finger sandwiches, scones, sweets, and of course tea. And we do soups and salads that change seasonally. And yeah, it's just a great spot for getting together and relaxing, celebrating. Okay, so one of the great things about this place is that we're all very much like a family. Everyone who works here, we all are very much involved in each other's lives, which kind of happens when you work in a small space. You really get to know everybody. The customers are usually really happy and really friendly. Definitely made friends with customers over the years, which is it's special. I don't think that happens everywhere, but maybe it does, I'm not really sure. So I started coming to the tea room when I was little with my grandma. She used to take me for lunch at Lord & Taylor, and they had finger sandwiches there, which I loved. And then the cafe in Lord & Taylor closed, so she found Harmony Tea Room, and it became my favorite place. I always begged to go. She would always take me there for my birthday and special occasions. And then I think my 19th birthday, we went for my birthday, obviously. And I think my grandma put her name on an email list or something, and she told me that they were hiring. So I went and applied for the job, and the rest is history. So I worked for Marianne for 10-ish years, and then when she decided to sell after the pandemic, I told her I didn't want anybody else to buy it, so I bought it.
Well, I have been a tea drinker my whole life, and after I'm from Philly. When I moved to New Jersey, I took a different career, and then I wanted to change careers. I did go to culinary school back in Philly, so I wanted to get back in the food business. I went to a Sweet 16 at a tea room in the city, and that just kind of got the wheels turning. I came home from that because I just loved the whole experience of everything. I came home from that, I went online, I went to see if there were any tea rooms in Bergen County, anything, anywhere, and then just went down a deep dive on the internet looking at tea rooms, and I was just hooked, and then I found a place, and then it just kind of took off. So that's how that started. Well, I feel like my relationship is like a child I gave birth to, because I've thought of virtually everything about this place, and it's been a long road, and it's a dedication. You have to be really dedicated to this business. It takes a lot of time. So my relationship is, I just love it, and it's been rewarding.
I've worked at several different jobs, and I was just very unhappy at all of them. And then one day my friend from high school asked me to come and talk to Michelle about getting a job at Harmony Tea Room, and I instantly fell in love with it. And I was here for the last 2 years and part of the Harmony Tea Room family, and I loved every second of it.
You'll always find something to enjoy here, whether it's tea, friends, or finger food. And if you ever need a calm afternoon, Harmony Tea Room will always welcome you.